so we came over to the house tonight because they've done some pretty good progress already this week. They put our wafer lights in underneath the vents. They put them in throughout the house. We got our doors in, so those are all the doors, the interior doors. We're gonna put those in, and they've been putting some baseboard in this week. They've got all the hardware outlets in. There's another coat of paint that's supposed to go in here, so we'll have to wait on the plates for now. They're gonna put another coat of paint because there is some blemishes and things like that in here that need to be fixed. We got our vent fans, got our wafer lights in there. All of our ceiling fans have been installed. That's my stepdaughter's crazy fan. Tile work started. This is the Jack and Jill bathroom. This is my stepdaughter's bathroom. So we've got that. We've got two niches going in, one on top of the other. So that's going on. There's another ceiling fan. This is the boys' or the guest full bathroom, and it hasn't got a lot of tile, it's just got a space tile, and they gotta grout it and stuff like that too. They've got the ceiling fan in this bedroom, and then it's a matching one in their other son's bedroom, and then down the hallway. So put our ceiling fan in, the lights, all the wafer lights. So these wafer lights, they're really cool. They're really thin. They're not like a can light, and you can take them down, change the dimness, change the brightness, the tint. So if you notice that in your bathroom it's not light enough, you maybe can give yourself a little bit more light. This is the master shower. They're ready to go in here. We've got like a big hexagon tile that'll go on the floor, and then just a subway tile on the walls. So we've got it ready to go. Got our linen closet. That area was kind of unused space, and we decided that we would just make it a linen closet, but it's rather deep for a linen closet. I mean, it's a good 36 inches deep. So we'll just have to figure out what we're gonna do there. Bathroom. Every area has to have its own fan. So that's by code. So stuff like that. All the windows are done. We're gonna paint our window trim white. It's just the color that we chose to be, like I said in the previous video, just trying to be simple with some of this stuff so we can get done. Our light switches are very user friendly. Like this light switch controls the hallway. There's also one at that end and one at this end because our hallway ended up being so long. Our electrician gave us a 3-way switch there. We've got a light underneath the steps. Nice storage that we're gonna put underneath there. This was a mess up by the electrical contractor. He forgot to put the conduit underneath the concrete. So he came out here on Monday and they drilled and bored underneath there to get the concrete, to get the wire out. So we connected it. They knew they had missed it and they were just gonna come back and fix it. So, laundry room. We've got a little sink in here, of course, washer and dryer, and then a countertop that'll go in there. So, comes back out to the living room. So hopefully we'll have more by the end of the week. Tile will be finished. All of our lights will be in that haven't been put in yet. We won't get our doors in until next week. My contractor's got his crews on vacation this week, so they'll just sit idle until then. But with other trades working, we can at least have something getting done.